Alright, let's get Nectarblocks installed and your license activated. To start, go to app.nectarblocks.com and visit the Licenses page. This is where all of your purchases live. On the right-hand side of each license, you'll see a Download button. Clicking that gives you a bundle file. That bundle is a zip that contains everything: the Nectarblocks plugin, the optional Nectarblocks theme, and the Importer-Exporter plugin. A common mistake is to upload the entire bundle zip directly into WordPress. Don't do that. You'll want to unzip it first and use the individual files inside. Here's how it works. You can upload the Nectarblocks plugin zip and the Importer-Exporter plugin into the Plugins Add New section in your WordPress admin. You can then upload the Nectarblocks theme zip inside the Appearance Themes tab in your WordPress admin. The Importer-Exporter plugin is optional. It's used for importing demo sites or exporting your settings for backup. You don't need to keep it active all the time, just enable it when you actually need it. Now, before we activate the license, let's quickly explain the difference between the plugin and theme. The Nectarblocks plugin is the heart of the builder. It gives you the blocks, the animations, the template library, and all of the functionality that makes Nectarblocks unique. You can use the plugin with any WordPress theme. The Nectarblocks theme, on the other hand, is optional. It provides a lightweight design framework built specifically to work hand-in-hand with the plugin. The theme controls site-wide styling options like headers and global layouts. You don't need to use it if you already have a favorite theme, but if you want the fastest, most seamless setup, we recommend using the included theme. Alright, let's activate the license. Once the plugin is installed, head over to the Nectarblocks panel in the WordPress sidebar. Inside, you'll see an Authorization tab. This is where you'll paste your license key. You'll find your license key in two places: the purchase confirmation email you received, or inside of the Licenses section in the Nectarblocks app. Copy it, paste it into the field, and click on the Register button. If everything checks out, you'll see a success message. Activating your license does two important things. It unlocks the plugin updates directly inside of your WordPress dashboard, and it enables certain features inside of Nectarblocks, like the template library. If you ever need to move your license, for example, to a new domain, you can deregister it right from the Authorization tab and then reactivate it on your new site. You can also manage licenses inside of the Nectarblocks app itself. Expand the license with the chevron and you'll see which domain it's tied to. From there, you can manually deregister it if needed. This is especially handy for agency plans with multiple client activations. If a license ever gets stuck on an old site, or you have a client that you no longer manage, you can free it up yourself. In the next video, we'll dive into demo importing, and I'll show you how to get a site up and running in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you there.